I finally got the opportunity to link up with my homeboy Brian Nunez, fellow hairstylist in TV film in New England, and put some highlights in my hair. But then I got home and decided, you know what? I want some more brightness. Typical hairstyle and touch up these grays. So I went ahead with the Guy Tang Big 9 and 40 volume and just added more lights throughout the crown, basically, in the hairline. I'm toning My Identity 6 volume color with Sandstorm. It smells so good. And then I went in with my aloe baskin lather and gave myself a nice treatment with my steam cap. And I knew I needed to give myself a great haircut, but I hate sitting in the chair for too long with other people, so I figured I would just do it myself, take the time. And I mean, it took me all day. I have a lot of hair. My hair is very much 4C. It is very high porosity. The shrinkage is too real. And I love my hair. I've grown to love my hair, and I've learned to love my hair because I've learned to do my hair late in life. I never knew how to do it as a young woman, and I've grown to love it. So just kind of stretching it out with a lot of heat protectant and thermal products, stretching it out in sections, letting it stay hydrated in sections, and taking my time to blow it out with my Dyson blow dryer with the pick, which is like getting a press comb. I mean, I'm telling y'all, that blow dryer is so hot. Flat iron, got it really silky, soft, and smooth. I don't do this often, but since I've been growing out my undercut for about 1.5 years now, it's all different lengths. It's all wacky, growing in at different speeds. Lord knows I want to cut it off so bad, but I promised my fiance and my son that I would grow it out. They both want to see it long. I haven't worn it long since high school, and so this is going to be, this is for them, not for me. But I'm definitely going to end up cutting it again. I'm just trying to let it grow as long as possible. And then once I do, I'm chopping it right the hell back off. Don't judge me on these fried ass ends either, y'all, because you know how it is with hairstylists. We're the worst with our hair. I wear it in protective styles a lot, so I don't really trim it often enough because I don't wear it out all the time. So I'm starting to rock my silk presses and stuff, so I wanted to make sure my ends had a nice, healthy start. My hair overall, it came out really nice. It's nice and healthy. The deep conditioner, the Aloe and Honey by Baskin Lather. I use their hydrating shampoo. I always do a clarifying every shampoo so that I get all the mousse and gel off my hair. Gel off my hair. My hair grows so fast. I just trimmed my bangs like 1.5 weeks ago. But I love my hair overall. It came out really nice. It's nice and healthy. I just wanted some really nice dimension, some chocolatey caramel color, and I think I did well. What do you guys think?